The Federal and Pedesta Hospital jointly present the Kanyakumari Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Rojavanam International School. Run for Health on Sunday, May 4. Entry is free and all are welcome.
Imagine a truckload of clothes being dumped in landfills. That's the price we pay for chasing trends over time tested quality. And our planet Earth is paying for it too. Globally, over 100 billion new garments are produced and sold every year. And yet, 92 million tons of textile waste are thrown away every single year, which is roughly equivalent to a garbage truck full of clothes being dumped every second. Perfectly wearable, often barely used, are all gone. And India alone contributes around 8 million tons. And what's worse, only 12% of these textiles are ever recycled. The rest ends up rotting in landfills, leaching dyes and chemicals into the soil and water. Is there a solution to this mess? Maybe a thrift store is a perfect answer. So, what is a thrift store? A thrift store gives second life to waste and redefine what we call waste. Let us hear it from the experts.
We clean, sort, filter, send the clothes for laundry, and we repair them and mend them if they're damaged, and we put them up for sale in the store. So we collect, multiple categories of items to be thrifted as well. Ideally, we collect close to 20 to 30 tons a month, and only a small portion, I would say only 2 to 3% of it ever gets sent to the thrift store.
The ones who carry out this process are called skilled change makers. Over 250 women from low-income communities, mostly from Semangeri and Kannaginagar area in Chennai, are associated with the thrift store. Fast fashion has changed how we shop, but not for the better. In the past 15 years, the number of times a garment is worn has dropped by 36%. We buy more, wear less, and toss quicker, all in the name of staying in trend. But at what cost? The fashion industry is responsible for 10% of global carbon emissions, more than aviation and shipping combined. And if we don't slow down by 2030, the world could be drowning in 134 million tons of textile waste. The federal reached out to shopping enthusiasts in Chennai's Pondi Bazaar, asking if they would prefer to buy quality and consume less, and whether they would buy pre-loved clothes.
No. I prefer thrifting in a way if it is from my mom, and if it is from others, I don't prefer.
I may not prefer thrifting because I'll have to trust. There has to be a certain trust before I purchase that item. So if I know how their process is, where they're sourcing it from, then I might consider it.
Yeah, good clothes and less quantity is better. If I want to buy a shirt, I prefer mostly with a branded.
Thrifting is a sustainable option, but does it justify overconsumption? The next time you scroll through a fast fashion app or drop clothes into the trash, pause. Ask, do I really need this? Can someone else use this? And remember, fashion doesn't have to cost the earth, because a second-hand shirt might just be the first step towards saving our planet.
The Federal and Pedesta Hospital jointly present the Kanyakumari Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Rojavanam International School. Run for Health on Sunday, May 4. Entry is free and all are welcome.